How to lower down your gaming PC temperature and reduce heat and get rid of the annoying sound coming from the GPU or PSU power supply. Okay, so 3 things to do: remove the glass cover from here, remove the plastic cover from here, remove the plastic cover also from here that has the logo. And okay, for me, when I removed the glass cover from here, the temperature went down 5 degrees. When I removed the plastic cover from here, the temperature went down 4 degrees. When I removed the plastic cover from here, the temperature went down from 3 to 4 degrees. And now the overall result is from 10 to 11 degrees. The temperature went down when I removed all these covers. And if the annoying sound coming from the GPU, it should be automatically be lowered down because the GPU fans won't be needed to work very fast because the heat is low, the temperature is low. But also you need to do a curve. You need to do a hand curve. Search for that on YouTube. It's very easy. And if the annoying sound coming from the PSU, all you have to do is to just remove it and place it on a side that has all just plastic and ventilate it very well. You see it is ventilated from here. It's also ventilated from here and from here, as you can see. Just place it on the plastic that has no ventilation, and it will be good. Now the sound, the annoying sound will be different, will be lowered.